Well. D Mwango over here, and the lost sheep is back.
Yeah.
Alright, so welcome back, Kino. We're doing good, and thanks for coming. My people are like, D, where is Kino? Where is Kino? Where is Kino?
Kino is back. See me here, I'm back. I was lost, but now I'm found. Right? I was lost.
I'm so happy just to see you. Anyway, guys, go subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. He's back.
He's back. And come on, go and subscribe to this.
400K
400K.
By the time they'll be watching this video, it'll be at 400K.
Yeah. But guess what? That means if you're watching by them time, you missed the party. The 400K party that D is going to host tonight. Tonight, because might as well say tonight, right?
Tonight?
By tonight, we reach 400K.
Okay, yeah. The moment we reach, that's the moment we're going to have a party.
Exactly.
Anyway, guys, Team Kino, thank you so much for the love and support. You mean the world to me, okay?
Look at that.
Wow.
Fire.
Fire burn.
Fire. Fire water. I've got the feeling.
Yeah, no, it look like no love, no then no more, no. Where you gone, no? Father God, me alone, no. Help me please, no. Something going on, no. You know, look so like them have no love in the hand, no more, no. Cut it.
You praise to Rastafari, universal cleansing.
Hey.
The world is changing.
Lightning, earthquake, and hey, shake them jaw and let them fall. We have too much earthquake here. Stop. We're having too much earthquake in Jamaica.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
back in Ocho. Already. I'm here on the main street, gonna meet up with D. You know, so I'm back here. Come on, the city. Yeah, you want to start the movie? Well, I asked if I like a movie, so I asked if you want to start the movie. Yeah, man, so I'm back here in Ocho. I'm here on the main street, as you can see. The main street is busy as usual, you know, as usual. So I'm happy and I'm glad to be back right here. So welcome. So you know D always a shop. You know D always a shop till I head drop.
Well. The Mwango over here and the lost sheep is back.
Yeah.
Alright, so welcome back, Kino. We're doing good and thanks for coming. My people are like, D, where is Kino? Kino
is back. See here, I'm back. I was lost, but now I'm found. Right? I was lost.
I'm so happy just to see you. Yeah. Anyway, guys, go subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. He's back.
He's back. And come on, go and subscribe to this.
400K.
400K.
By the time they'll be watching this video, it'll be at 400K.
Yeah. But guess what? That means if you're watching by them time, you missed the party. The 400K party that D is going to host tonight. Tonight, because might as well say tonight, right?
Tonight?
By tonight, it reach 400K.
Okay, yeah. The moment we reach, that's the moment we're going to have a party.
Exactly.
Anyway, guys, Team Kino, thank you so much for the love and support. You mean the world to me, okay? The market is full. Shane, film for me the line of the
Now we're here on the main street, walking through the main street, you know the thing over there.
They keep going.
Tower, rockabest, pineapple. So the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Give me that song there. Hey.
Who shall I fear now? Jehovah God lead the way now. I never know I could have make it out now. The amount of stress I go through in a hurt now. Uncle God no, can see what I'm going through now. Look at them crucify the Almighty on the cross now. Choppy line.
That's the man talented, man. Come on, man, come on. You have more than that, man. That's the man talented, man. So we're the low taxi?
Yeah, right now, the artist I look on.
Yeah, I say, man, because if I try to get you past the loading taxi, you're supposed to load the bus to come watch you perform.
That's what we attack, man. The more I perform, you know.
If you load the bus, I come watch you perform with them vibes.
That's God.
You know?
A real talk can't make with that.
So what people tell about your vibes?
Yeah, man, they say mad, man. But artist say artist, man.
So what's your artist name?
DJ Marvin.
DJ Marvin.
Yeah, man.
So what kind of platform people can find you on?
Oh, man, St. Mary, you know, put Maria. When you come my student camp and turn up there, so I ask you.
What about social media?
Oh, I never go on a social media, you know.
So you no Facebook, no Instagram?
No, I do not need it.
Nothing yet?
No.
So suppose somebody watch this now and them like your sound and want to contact you?
Yeah, man. You can come and put Maria. You come all right, so anybody will tell you about me, right? That's what I do every day. On Sunday, day, I do the same way. I feel no way.
So you know, so you really try the music, I just...
No, I do some music in about, you know, I go money no did fix up the music then. I mean, I have all of music and I can sing till now till I'm tomorrow at the same time, you know. Yeah, man. To say I look fun, man.
So you try pursue in the early days, or what?
You know, so from me a youth, me I sing.
But that pursue it like try?
Yeah, from me a youth, from me a pretty me I sing. But as an artist, and Bob Marley and family, but they don't know still.
Yeah.
That's God.
Come here from Trenchtown, from Bob Marley.
Trenchtown. Yeah, man.
So me and the...
Yeah, man, I can't tell them about me, man. I'm a singer, man.
Yeah. Mention it. Say your contact number upon this so we can remember it.
Oh, yeah, no. Contact number, me tell you now. I'm going at this and make you get, you know.
Yeah. Say I'm Bob Marley, are blood related?
Yeah, so my father tell me.
My father tell you?
Yeah, my father tell me, say me and Bob Marley, my family.
So where your background base?
St. Anne's.
St. Anne's, 9 miles.
9 miles.
See,
yeah, man.
So you never have no contact with none of them?
None of them. From my kids, me left from there. Yeah, man, contact number, yeah.
Say it out, man, say it out.
Oh, you can't talk out to me, I hardly can see it.
Oh, you hardly can see it. So it's 1876 514 7535. Yeah, man. So it's 1-876-514-7535.
Yeah, no. He look like no love, no, then no more, no. Where he gone, no? Father God, me alone, no. Help me, please, no. Something going on, no. He no look so like them have no love in the hand, no more, no. Cut it.
Cut it. No, man. Talented. Where the artist name again?
DJ Marvin.
DJ Marvin.
Yeah, man. From Frontier.
From Frontier.
Yeah.
So
St. Mary.
people are coming out.
Don't you come from?
Don't you come from?
Yeah, man.
So long now you do the.
You know, say, send me leave the hotel work.
Oh, so I work in a hotel?
We used to do painting in a hotel. So we jump off a hotel and thing and you know, pay me no mind and thing, you know. That's why I don't have to see how we are doing.
You jump off at the hotel?
Jump off at the hotel,
for the building?
The leather.
Yeah. And now they don't look for you?
No, they don't look for me and pay me no mind, but I deal with this still.
But that's why you lose the job?
That's why I come here to unload this.
Oh, you left?
We have a back problem here too.
From the same building?
From the same building.
And now they may try to help you out.
They don't look for me now, nothing. Just came up, bring me to the hospital and left me. Yeah, man.
And then when you go back to work, what do I say?
Then come back to work a couple times, but I don't go now with them, I never well up yet or nothing.
Yeah.
Going to go painting, but now I go work out, the back of town, see him here.
So you're not getting a liar to try to explain the situation?
Yeah, man, I deal with it.
I deal with it? Yeah, kind of supposed to drop it because I work and that happen.
I work, I'm on the building.
Yeah, you're supposed to, man, isn't it? So you're the loading, you're a loader, man, now go and load taxi.
I go and do my little thing, you know, tell better coming out, one day better coming out. Yeah, man. One day better come, man. You have your talent, and one. Your talent, the Almighty give you, you know, so you have to use the talent, you know. Yeah, man. I could have used it from a smaller still, about, you know.
Yeah.
Family and poor and thing, you know. So you see it, we never have no help and then sitting there.
Yeah.
I hold up a man see me and take and tell me, say, you come and sue though. But me I use it, I use me, so I never die with it.
Yeah, no, sir.
Yeah, I hope I'm using me do already, you know. Holy Jordan Nook second, this.
Yeah.
So it was saying call me, it was saying love me, you know.
Come and tell us your voice bad. You can sing a Bob Marley?
You know, me never sing but try Bob Marley music them yet, you know. Yeah, me never try none of Bob Marley.
So what music you specialize in?
Which are Sanchez and them music.
Sanchez?
Yeah.
Let me hear one Sanchez.
Amazing grace shall always be my songs of praise. But it was great that bought my liberty. I never know why Christ he to love me so. He looks behind my fallen side of my knee. Chop your line, man.
Bad. This bad, bad, talented.
Yeah, we're boss, you know. Yeah, man.
Who that? Your boss?
Yeah, man, I'm a virgin, man.
See them, man.
Your boss then take care of me, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
As I say, you never know, you know, you put your number out there.
Yeah.
So if anyone interested in the talent we have, you know, I want you to come studio. Just make up your mind and say, yeah, I'm going studio.
Alright,
you know,
brother.
so I me the opportunity to say again this time if somebody call and say, studio.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm going to sing out your art in general.
Yeah, man. Yeah, be here, man. I just be entry me again, you know.
Yeah.
We can't sing from now till the morning, man.
Aye. So you can give me something where you write yourself? Where you
all of them music I see me I do now. They don't go out yet.
So which one you like to release? Something for the positivity, something positive. Any other one where I really want to
release? What I want to release, I want now. So the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want, no. Who shall I fear, no? Jehovah God lead the way, no. I never know I could have make it out, no. The amount of stress I go through in a hurt, no. Hunger God, no. Can't see what I'm going through, no. Look how them crucify the Almighty on the cross, no. I never know I could have make it out, no. Hunger God, no. Can't see what I'm going through, no. Life is a rocky road, no. Hill so hard to climb, no. But Jesus a blessed Savior. He gotta meet me by the way I know, no. Yeah, man. But I like to run that one day. Yeah, man.
See there. So you see, I do to this now go on.
Yeah, me I go and chop it like me go and do it, man. You say, you know, better must come one day.
Of course.
Trust in a God, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to stop it for your bread, you know, so let me see you go and load.
Stay every day, man. Just come on my foot and tell me, say, Ray.
Alright, then I have a number, so me I knock you up then.
Alright, more blessing, boss.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Chop it line, no?
Alright.
There go, rock a best. Rock a best, towel, rock a best, pineapple. Rock a best, towel, pineapple. Pineapple, rock a best, towel. Rock a best, towel, pineapple. Towel, rock a best, pineapple. Towel, rock a best. Rock a best, towel.
That's easy.
Yeah, man. Rock a best, towel. Yeah, bro. Rock a best. Pineapple, rock a best, towel.
Discussions, members could not reach consensus on sentences guidelines.
Put bus on this, put my bus. Rock a best, towel. Towel, rock a best. Towel, rock a best. Oh, bless me, yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
God go with you. Right now. Alright, but chop the line then.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, big brother.
Bless the love. As I can see, the artist is really talented, but you know, this man been trying, you know. So you know, say the music he never a pursue because him say him family kind of poor and they never really see the money from it, you know. So him kind of try to do something else. But now they can hear the man alone taxi, you know, say a living. You know, and he's very talented as well. To say, you know, we have a lot of talent in Jamaica. Some time ago, waste, you know, which is sometimes we have to try to reach out and help them so that at least now that we can come together and try to help out the talent over there. See them in Jamaica, you know, because you them talented boy here, but now like whole heap of talent at the place, you know. Come on, I sell the melon. 200 a pound. I want a pound of the melon. Give me the sweet part. Oh, you know which part of the sweet part now? You don't know? Yeah, let's make a guess. Alright. Yeah, slice something to me then.
Want the one light?
No, pound, it's 200 a pound. That is it. So 200 a pound for melon, so you know, so everybody up on the hustle and the grind, you know, no matter what time, I could have rain, sun and shine. Exact?
Yeah.
Judge of fire, straight righteousness will deal with. Alright, big up man, I big up CMF for my program man. What the I name?
Honey man.
Yeah. So it will be melon, and you walk and do this. So when you walk and do this, who watch that for you? Touch for your walk going on.
All over it out, far as anyway there.
Yeah, so they are roll through.
Nah, you know this? Rios is black on them man. Make you learn.
Learn. No course.
Yeah, man, every night, man.
Sparkles Park presents its grand opening and customer appreciation 2023
yesterday, when me see a town, I give you some clothes and sit. Me say,
Feel needed and see me, you know, because you have to help out the people.
bless up, man. Me like that.
Every time.
You can't give me some food, don't you?
You want food? I don't want food, man.
Give us some food, don't walk there.
You don't want food.
I need richness, I don't need this.
Brother.
No
Give me something for the poor, man.
No, but
Give me something for the poor, man.
Oh, look at Ocho, how dirty. Look over this, how dirty.
Yeah. That's true.
They can't block. They can't block over here.
See over there, shot.
Today I saw.
Yeah, man.
Brother, look at Ocho, how dirty. Look.
Hey, what film shop then?
Look there.
They always a shop on the place.
Brother, look at Ocho, how dirty. Black ball.
So alright, go talk about it then.
Alright, go. We're going like town, brother. Brother,
Where you go though?
Yeah, man. The general, big up to him, yeah. Let's continue what see him.
Yeah, man.
we don't pray for black, brother.
Alright.
Pray for black.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So blessings to all.
And the coupon come off.
Top pink, fashion, pineapple, liners. Pineapple. Ah. You find anything yet?
No, I haven't yet.
Nothing. Oh my days.
We have to go for the other one.
Which one?
There's another one that I saw somewhere.
You start late? You start late? You start look for something late?
Yeah, I'm going to fix my nose.
When tonight?
You can sell that. I guess you can get smart. Yeah.
Well. So I guess Dee not find what she want as yet. So you know the struggle continues same way.
We continue tomorrow.
To be continued
But
tomorrow.
the dress should be found before 400k.
Imagine. Well, tomorrow you can try again, right? Tomorrow. Oh, wow.
You see how it looks? This is one of it.
Yeah. That's nice.
That's nice for the occasion. Huh?
Yeah? No? It's too much?
It's not too much.
No. Why do you think it's too much?
The blue dress, you can fix it for me, or I have to look for somebody to fix it.
Shanae, the blue dress you have smaller size?
So, well, Lee still looking for a choice.
But maybe our next branch have smaller size.
Oh, okay.
Here, I don't know.
Yeah, so Lee are try and copy stuff. When you come on to ladies trying on outfits and things, so Lee's trying on a couple of things. So basically she's trying to get a dress for a celebration for 400k, so that's what she's trying to get a dress for the 400k. So she's very hard to please, so she'll try her best to find something to suit her for her 400k. So that's what Lee's trying to get. So we're still here waiting for Lee. She's trying on a couple of dress and things. So she's trying to get something which she can put on, to celebrate her 400k. So remember, don't miss the party. So the location will be very near you. Yes, on YouTube. So don't miss it. So we're here and Dee's trying to find something which she can wait to celebrate her 400k. I would thank each and every one of you for supporting her and our journey, and I thank each and every one of you, the supporters, for supporting me as well on my journey. So I'm on the road to 50, so before 50 we have to reach 40, so now we are 36, we're heading into 40, so after 40 then we go into 50. So come on, let's do it. So go tell a friend, say support Kino Life in Jamaica. So go and check out Kino Life in Jamaica, so go and check it out. So stay tuned, there's more videos to come, back here in Ocho. We're thinking about it, so stay tuned. So as I say, they come on to women and looking to start out them dress and all them things, they have to take a time. So I guess she's looking for something, so she's trying on something else now. So if you're watching, I haven't put the thumbs up. Remember to always put the thumbs up when you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed and you're watching for your television and you don't know how to do it, you can ask someone in in the family, some relatives, someone in the house, the younger generation, to show you how to subscribe from your TV, you know, or you can do it on the smartphone, you know, and watch it also, you know. So we thank you so much for the support, you know, and let's continue to support us on the journey, you know. So I'm on the road to 50k. We're not far away, you know, but we're walking now to 40 and then we're gonna run to 50 and then we'll start taking on from there. So the journey will definitely be continuing. So please go and check out Kino Life in Jamaica. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, stay tuned for everything. So we're here in this clothes store here. You know. So this is a dress what she like. You know, so hopefully.
What a nice.
But you already screamed Jesus Christ.
No, I never use these. I never use them.
Oh.
Camera there.
Hey.
Turn it from the back there. My YouTube?
Yeah.
Where is my YouTube?
Kino Life in Jamaica. Well. K-I-N-O. Life. You see like that one?
Oh,
Yeah,
in
this one?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
What's in the cover here?
Of course, I come from here.
Another. Oh, that's so you just name in Jamaica.
Yeah. It's about my life. Well. What? You like that one? Yeah. And it go with your hairstyle as well too. So.
And the shoe as
And
well.
the shoes.
Okay, let me go with this.
So that will do it, dude.
But if it could be good.
Right.
Yeah, so I say I hope she like that one day where she just choose, you know. Because she been on the road all they say she been on the road all day.
Oh God, yeah, tell her you know. She's a shop man.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Love her shopping.
Yeah, so we have Shane here all the way from Portland, you know.
Yeah man.
Helping out assisting.
Ocho, Rios, you know.
In Ocho.
Want to sort the psycho bunny them.
Yeah, so I'm say, you know, I hopefully she satisfied and she like that one, because just tell me what you think. You like that one where you just see, you know, for a celebration of 400k. So as I say, don't miss it. It's gonna be at the venue near you, and the venue is gonna be on your YouTube, you know. So please subscribe and check it out.
Alright,
Thank you.
Alright, so I guess the most satisfied what you get right now.
Yeah. Right now I'm extremely satisfied.
Yeah.
I can't wait to show you guys.
So I'm happy she's satisfied right now because look, I'm sweating. I am sweating. Alright, yeah?
Alright, yeah man.
Yes. So look at this night now. It's all night here. Listen. Well. Blessed love. Good morning. Blessed love to where you are and where you are. Good morning. So, as you can see, guys, I'm back here. I'm back in where we belong. So I'm back here now. Yes, I'm waiting for Dee and Shane there to get ready because we're gonna go out on the road. We're gonna see what the day brings us or where the sun leads us to. You know, so. Remember guys, thank you so much for watching. So as guess you might see this community already, you know, walking, strolling, you know. So it's a nice community here. It's very nice, very lovely, as you can see. Very nice gated community. It's so lovely. It's lovely. I'm not even lying. You know, I will live here. I know say you will live here as well too. It's quiet, peaceful and everything, you know. So it's very quiet, it's peaceful here in the community, you know. If you, as what I said, if you drop a pin you will hear it, you know. So most of these gated communities are so lovely. They're so nice. And we got D representing in our JA. Whoa, the sun is so hot. Look at D walking down the street, looking like a real Kenyan model. Walking like a real Kenyan model.
You
Hey, big up to your teacher.
Where's my teacher?
Eh?
Big up to my teacher, Kino Life in Jamaica. He's my trainer right now
Mm-hmm.
because I'm really adding weight, so I have to really exercise, you know, so that I keep looking as how I should look.
Exactly. And
Guys, can you see the abs already?
after one day.
I keep on asking Kino, can you see the abs?
Guys, listen, she work out for one day and she keep on saying, Kino, seen the abs already? Just see, cause remember, you know, say you want to go back to Kenya, thick. Right, so she want to eat the yam.
Thick already.
You thick already. So see there, so she work it out now.
That is
You know, this man they a run and couldn't believe. He said, "Be run, just take your time. Be run,
non-stop until
be run so fast, go right there." I'm like, why she's running like she's a race? And by 2 minutes she bust, she start walk. You know, but she a fighting spirit though. I like that. You know, I like that.
Lord. So guys, my name is Dee. I'm from Mama Africa. Mama, 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 Mama Africa. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Oh Lord, it's so hot, Kino. I need to put on this because guys, you know, my hands I've actually turned because of the too much heat. So nowadays when I'm stepping out, I put on something on top.
Yeah.
And I need to put on sunscreen also. You know, because the Jamaican heat is something else.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
The Jamaica sun.
That is it. Now
That
it's
is
good.
it. I'm gonna tell you, the sun in Jamaica is really hot.
Yeah.
You know, so who was gonna walk but look like the sun actually have to tell me to turn back, cause remember Shane is down there, so we cannot go too far, leave Shane.
Yeah. So guys, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. Let us get to know what you think about today's video. So you have a lot of errands to run, and let's just take you along. And we're coming live from the New York of Jamaica.
You know, we're at Miami.
Now we are in Miami.
You know, we're in Miami. We're now we're at the Florida part, you know.
The cars that you see outside, you can easily tell big boys cars.
We have the pool in the backyard and everything. We have the alligators running across the road. We have the iguanas. You know, we have everything. So we're here in Florida. We have the palm trees here, but sorry, no jelly tree, no coconut tree for these.
Just look at the machines parked outside, the BMs and stuff. Like really big machines. Look at that, guys.
This place is nice.
Wow. Welcome to the Miami of Jamaica.
Hey, we're in Miami. Welcome to Miami in Jamaica. How does it feel to be in Miami in Jamaica, Dee?
The best feeling ever.
Best feeling.
I just feel like singing Mama, Mama. That's what is in my head today.
I forgot his name.
Africa.
What's his name again?
Ras.
I forgot his name from Portland.
I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Mama, Mama. Mama, 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 Africa.
So people, so do you find a new song? Sorry if you're not here, I sing Lightning.
Jala makes me so high.
Hey.
This feeling I cannot deny. He never lets my well run dry.
Hey.
Just give me blessings, see nothing colors and I. We give praises to Rastafari. Universal cleansing.
Hey.
The world is changing.
Lightning, earthquake, and hey, shake them jaw and let them fall. We got too much earthquake here. Stop. We're having too much earthquake in Jamaica. We have one more again yesterday. Yeah, yesterday we have another one again. Hey, this sun is.
Let's stand back.
Yeah.
Because
people, listen. As I must say, we don't try to forget where the sun lead us to, but the sun not turn us back to where we should go back. Cause listen, we gotta go back to Shane.
Africa. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. After 3 years, I'm coming home.
Yes, blessed love to all, blessed love to all, Mr. Guys. I hope you, anywhere you are, remember to put the thumbs up, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribe, you know, please. We try to get Dee to, well,
please.
You reach 400 by now, so 500 is the next step, you know. So that is it now, 500K.
And thank you for the love, for the support. We are very grateful. Gratitude erases negativity in life.
Yes.
You have to be thankful for what you have, so that God can give you the rest, you know.
Yeah.
Gratitude is everything, guys.
That
Just
is
being
it.
alive, having air in your lungs, you must have gratitude each and every day.
Yeah, and if
Being
you
in
feel
good
down,
health,
if you feel down, just motivate yourself, you know. Just tell yourself, so listen, we got one life to live. You know, why you feeling down? Why make someone try to bring you down? You know, just lift yourself up. You know, when them try to make you feel bad in yourself, you just smile more, you know, because that's what the negative energy want to see you looking down, you know. They don't want to see you standing up, you know, to the right thing.
spirit always, always.
Lift
And just know God has, but the plans that you have for yourself, just times 10. That's what God has for you, okay?
That is it, times 10.
Times what you have actually, it's like, you know, I love listening to my motivational speakers. I love listening to Winnie Oprah, not Martin Luther King, although I still love his legacy, like the motivational speech he left behind. Like, if you cannot fly, run. If you cannot run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. By all means, keep moving.
Keep moving.
Yes, I listen to a lot of people, you know, Les Brown, Steve Harvey, those are my G's.
Yeah.
So
Number one, Denzel Washington.
Yeah.
You know, I listen to them every time. You know, whenever me myself, when I get up in the morning, when I work out, I like put on those motivational songs to keep us going.
So whenever you
know?
feel down, just tune to some, listen, and to lift up your spirit.
Listen to some gospel song as well too, if you feel like listen to some gospel. Just motivate yourself, you know. Because if no one else cannot do it, you have to do it yourself. So you have to always keep motivate yourself. Play some music, you know, tell yourself that I am happy.
Stretch.
You know, I am free. I am wonderful, you know, I am love, I am the light. Just keep on using the I am. You know, it's like it's a spike, you know, you spike up yourself, you know, when you tell yourself so you're feeling happy, I am happy, you know, I am love, I am blessed, I am wonderful, I am that I am the greatest. You know, it make you feel good in yourself. So just keep on reminding yourself and telling yourself that, and trust me, you're gonna see the difference. You know? Right, D?
Yeah, that is it, guys.
Shane already yet? Shane
is ready.
Okay, so guys, so waiting and Shane now. As I said, we're gonna go wherever the sun lead us. We don't know where the sun is gonna lead us.
Yeah, we're going somewhere. I'm going home, mama, I'm going home.
So she's going closer to the sun. You know, where it's 8 o'clock, it's still bright.
Alright, guys, we're gonna see you in a few, okay?
Alright then. Yeah, so right now we're stopping at the supermarket. I got some drinks. And so Shane is outside
and like, share and subscribe now.
Shane is out now. Shane ready. He's getting some drink. Ready to go. Ready for the road. So that is it. So yes man, so I'm gonna say we're gonna see where the sun take us. At the first we have to follow the sun. So yeah, follow the sun. Anyway, the sun take us, and that's where we are going. So if the sun lead us to Africa, that's where we're going.
It's way down in Nairobi.
Yeah, anyway the sun lead us, that's where we're going right now. So the sun said the next direction. So if it's Kenya, the sun lead us to, we're coming. So anyway, the sun leads us right now. We're coming. Big up yourself, Oliver and Carla. Guys, remember the thing goes, you know, like, blessed love. So yes, I'm gonna tell you, say anywhere the sun lead us, so the sun point D and lead me right here in a direction. So D brought me somewhere.
I introduced him to the Rasta guy.
Yeah.
Now I'm taking him somewhere.
So now she's taking me somewhere. So I'm here at the fire. We say the fire water.
Yeah.
So I'm here at the fire water.
You're about to see real magic.
Real magic. So you are about to see. So if you haven't seen it, just like me, all upon YouTube will see it. So right now we're gonna witness it. So I'm here at the fire water in Ocho.
Fresh pain. And headache and mosquito give me a lot of spots. This is the place.
Fire water.
Mineral.
Since when I was there, my mosquito bites are going down.
Hey. So it's the miracle water, the fire water. You know, so we're here at the miracle water. Kevin! Who name Kevin? A Philip son, right? Can I call you? Alright. Yeah man, so we're there. Can't believe us, sir. Greetings to everyone. Yeah. Greetings, my generals. Never know so close with you. Philip, right? Kevin. Alright. Stone, we never know so close, man, as my general. Man, as Kino. Yes, we never know so close with you, you know. I never know say fire water right here now. Watch him, I think so center mass sit there. All the time when I see, I think of center mass. Blessings, my generals.
Oh, you know them not there.
Manners.
Manners and honors, my father.
More. So yes, so where is all the blessing is. The miracle. Miracle.
We brought you another person to come and see the magic.
So all the time we see this, I never know it was in Ocho. I always think of St. Thomas. You know, so now we're here checking out the fire water. Okay. Wow.
Sit down in the fire and top fire and no burn.
No burn. This is the fire water. Wait, let me put that for you. What you said? No burn?
No burn. Let's just show up yourself and leave the fire and top fire.
So tell me about this. Tell me about this fire water here.
Alright, welcome.
What the I name?
Welcome.
Yeah.
You are with Kevin, you know, great grandson of the founder of this fire water. As you can see where the fire is, that's the source. The water come up from the inner core of the earth, comes up warm, salt and bitter. Good for all aches and pain, circulation, swelling of the skin, headache, backache, stress, sadness, allergies, sunburn, glaucoma, cataracts of the eyes, swelling of the skin, circulation. Any problem you have and get into this water, it comes out rejuvenated. Because of the fire, there is no oil, no gas, it's natural. And how I know it could lit on fire is my great grandmother was burning away a wasness from a citrus tree was here. The fire dropped into the water and ignited. She ran and tell her parents that ghost is down here, the water is on fire. Her parents tell her no, this is where the ancestors comes and get their healing. Scientists came here drilling it, looking for oil and gas, they couldn't find any. They bring a manual come give us that it have 24 components of mineral, human friendly. Potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, floral, alkaline, saltpeter, sugar, you can name them.
And to contact Kevin at Jamaica Firewater, St. Anne's Bay, Windsor Road, the phone number is 1876-402-2127. Remember to contact Kevin at Jamaica Firewater, St. Anne's Bay, Windsor Road, St. Anne. My phone number is 1876-402-2127. I'm out.
Oh, so this is it.
This
Look
is
at
it,
this.
Kino.
So the take off already. We go test out the fire water.
Yeah.
No, man, I forgot to test out this. We can feel it heat.
Kino, no. You'll burn. Put your hand at the top and feel it.
It burn you.
Put. You're saying you won't burn.
No,
burn.
it will burn you. Definitely.
It's real fire.
You can feel the heat coming off.
This is my second time here. And of course, the mineral water.
Wow. So they go to.
Yeah, they block it, then they let it out. Right now it's
We have a
going.
stand up in them, I wake up too much, just let out this say go low.
Okay. Wow. This is a real miracle. This is where the Almighty creation
Cleansing.
is cleansing.
Yeah.
Fire, water. Hey. Can you believe this? Fire,
The
water.
first day I was here, I was
Water,
like,
warm as well.
Here it's real fire. You know you can cook here. Put your hand so that you can feel it.
Wow! I'll put my hand over there more. Look at that, people. My hand inside the fire water. Look at that.
Kino, you're not feeling the heat?
No,
Kino, come on, it's so hot.
it's not.
Put it under the water.
Look, it's on top as well too. People, look at this. Can smell my ear burn. But my
Yeah.
hand ain't burning though.
You burning?
No, it's not. Look.
No, don't do that. Put your hand just at the top.
Yeah, you feel the heat, listen, you feel the heat there. But when you put it inside of it like that, you don't feel it. Woo. Wow. People, look at that.
Wow.
Fire.
Fire burn.
Fire. Fire water. I've got the healing inside the streaming. Look at this, people. This is
I'm
so.
also catching it. Under
Yeah,
the
catching it,
water.
right? Under the sea. Under the sea.
Healing, Kino. For my mosquito bites.
Look at that, people. Wow.
Look at the small baby. She's also cleansing herself. What's your name, baby? What's your name? What's your name?
She's singing. She's not listening.
Busy singing.
Yeah. The fire water. Look at that. Look at that. See, you said do a while ago. It was really. Set it back again.
Cleansing water. No, it's okay.
It not burn. It burn, but it not burn. It's like it's burn, but it not burn. You know, but look at this. Can you believe this? This is more than one, guys. You know, like I'm speechless. You know, I'm really speechless. Because I always see it. You know. I always see it, but it's the first time really.
So thank me for bringing you here.
Thank you, B.
Now I'm bringing people in Jamaica.
Exactly, imagine that. So these bringing me on tour in my own country. Imagine.
I took you to Portland.
Yeah, by the Portland, look at this. Fire water.
My general come here.
Yeah?
General forward for show no walk.
Yeah.
Love it, Kino.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man, Mineral and them.
Yes, my general. Boy, me I tell you, say, me have to wonder if a TV me I watch as a camera trick.
No, it's not a camera trick, it's a natural mistake.
It's
But
a
because of the fire, there no oil, no gas. A sulfur in the water make it burn.
Sulfur, yeah.
Oh, we know say it can burn. I'm a second out this up on the wall. You see, sit down, Kevin.
Kevin, just I tell you.
You see right with that light post there, the one orange tree was there, which was a big orange tree.
Yeah.
So each morning, the little pool here, not never built around it. It was just the little spring they always there.
Just right here, sir.
Yes. So each morning she would have just pass by and wash up her face in the little spring. So one morning, meanwhile, she went there, so I wash up her face. She look up on the tree and she saw a couple wasps when in the tree. So she couldn't pick the orange because of the wasp. So she leave and go up her yard. Go get a box of matches. Come back down, cut some dry banana leaf off a tree and go back up here. And light the banana leaf and burn where the wasp. To pick the orange and the sparkle, drop in at the little pool and ignite it. So she dropped the fire and the matches and run back go tell her parents them say dump it down here. Because the little pool they on fire. Our parents tell her, say, no, dump it down here. This is where the ancestors, them, the slave them, usually come to get healing whenever time they got wounded in those days because there was no doctor was around. This is where they usually comes to get their healing. Actually, from that 15 years old, she stopped washing up her face and decide that each morning she gonna have a full bath in it.
Yeah.
From that 15 years old, she been bath in it. She lived to see 109 years old. She lived to see 109 years old before she actually passed out. Before she passed out, scientists came here and drilled it 500,000 feet down in the inner core of the earth. If you push your foot somewhere there, you will feel a little pipe somewhere down there.
One pipe?
Yes, one pipe in under the earth here. Push your foot at flat.
Okay,
then drill a pipe the 500,000 feet down in the inner core of the earth.
Yeah, I feel the pipe right there, so.
They drill it 500,000 feet down in the inner core of the earth. So they drill it and carry a couple barrels well of the water go to United States. And places like those doing a research on it, testing it to find out what make the fire light.
Yeah.
So doing them research, it take them 1 year before them complete them research. Come back and bring back to the lady before she passed out. Make she know that it's the strongest mineral found on the island.
Strongest.
And it is the only healing water on the island. It contains 24 components and minerals in it, like potassium, calcium, sulfur, iron, magnesium, zinc, sugar, saltpeter, alkaline, name them. So this water now would help you with your sinus by wetting up your head and all of them things they in the water, inhale and exhale the water. You cure your sinus. People with arthritis, you're going out and exercise out the whole of your body. So you're good for arthritis, eczema. Them things that where people body scratch them and all of them type of thing. Then people they come and go in the water and I put them in the water and take up some mud over it and take them out and mud up the whole of them body. Put them for dry and next me put them back in. Eczema come off. We're good for eczema. Cataract from the eye. Blocking up the tube, that means your woman can't have no picking. She can drink 7 and full out of the fire.
So this can drink right now, right?
Right out of where you see fire. You dip your hand in the fire, 1 hand in eye.
Yeah.
Good for blocking of the tube, swelling of the skin, circulation, headache, backache, saltness. Everything you can think about. It's a cut and clear. It's a medicine general, no matter the taste.
Yeah.
That's it. It have a different taste.
It's very salty, you know.
It's very salty.
It's salt and it's bitter and it's sweet.
Yeah. Whoa. Watch that shit.
Dip your hand right in the middle of the fire before you see Anna.
One more.
3 handful of
Shane knows the secret. That's why he does it.
Good for your sexual simulation to everything.
Where's the Shane taste? Come all this, all this.
Have all type of taste, man. Bitter, salty.
My drinking the water, and nobody can, enemy can poison you with no bad liquor, no bad food, no stay in your system with it.
Yeah.
Dip your hand in the fire, yes. Wash your face right there. So welcome to the parish of Jamaica First National Hero. The first man to ever get deported 3 handful out of the fire. 3 handful.
Whoa!
Wet up some water over your head out of the fire. Dip back, wet down back your head down in the water. Put up the head over the fire. God is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pasture. He leadeth me beside the still water, He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me the path of righteousness for His name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil. For thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff may comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemy. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever.
Amen.
Amen. That
Have
is
to
it.
drink some as well, Shane.
Yeah, take 7. You need to take 7.
I need to drink 7.
7.
I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I fear no evil. For thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff may comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemy. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Hold your head back down. Over. Come down a little bit more. Yeah, right there. And forgive us our trespasses and unjust, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Ease up back. Fire. Fire near. Fire now. Picture. Picture.
Walk.
Blessed love. Blessed love. Yeah. Them big wicked people, love warrior people and all of them something. When I walk to the fire, nothing can stand by.
I'm left that behind. That is it. No weapon that form against me shall prosper. I left that behind as I walk through this water. Holy water.
Listen.
Creator of the Almighty. Who else could it be?
No.
Man created.
Father God alone.
Father God Himself.
Blessed. Greatness.
Yeah, man, so blessed love. That was a wonderful sesh. You know, I man, big up yourself once.
Every time is general.
Much love and give thanks. Most I
ever.
So people, if you haven't checked it out, you need to come check it out. You know, feel nice. You know, experience these wonderful things.
My girl, they brave you see.
In our country,
I
you know.
It's
a blessed love every time. Kevin. Look every time, you know. Yes, man.
Alright, guys, so now we're leaving.
Yeah, man, so I'm saying thank you so much. You know, that was a wonderful session. Hi. Drinking it, you know, trust me, it have like so much different taste. It have definitely have a salt taste, bitter taste, sour taste. It get that taste but that shocking feelings like, what is this I'm tasting, you know? But as I said, there's so much mineral and compound in it, you know. Trust me, it's worth it. It's my first time. Yeah, it is my first time.
It's my second time.
And it's the second time. Trust me, I will definitely be coming back again. Definitely. Wow. Whew. Well, me never did expect this. Me never expect I was coming to do this, but who knows? It happens. Just blessed love. So what's the I name again?
Aaron, otherwise the police.
Police officer.
Alright then.
So that's
Alright then.
so that's Aaron, the police.
That's a good one. Great.
Yeah man, that was a great experience. Trust me, if you never experienced it, you need to come and try when you come. You know, so we're in the St. Ann parish.
And special thanks to D for bringing Kino here.
Yeah.
Kino, don't forget to give me credit.
Yeah man, so special thanks to D Mwango, you know, for showing me around in my own country. You know, thank her, you know, she said, Kino, we need to go to here, you know. I never come here before because of D, you know, I'm here. If there's D, we have to thank her so much. You
Now
know?
I know spots that even locals don't know.
Yeah. So she know places even locals don't know.
Yeah,
like me myself as a local, well, me see it, but I never know say it was here in St. Anne's. I think it was in St. Thomas, you know, but yeah. Do you know a lot of places? And
Because now I'm living in Jamaica, so definitely.
yeah.
Yeah, we carry the portion that place.
Alright, so anyway, do you know me I gonna know too?
That is
That is
Right
it.
now we are going to hills.
Yeah.
I'm a Nigerian friend.
Mhm.
One of big villa,
You go.
Rios.
Mhm.
That's the way I go now. Right
Alright.
now over there, St. Anne's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going back to Ocho Rios now.
Alright, so right now we're heading out to Ocho, you know. So right now we live in St. Anne's Bay, that's where you can find the firewater. As I said, the number will there as well, so you can call him and contact him whenever you're coming here, and can give you some direction how to get there. So now we're heading to Ocho. So stay tuned. Blessed love. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.